At XebiaLabs, we're excited to introduce the first predictive risk solution for DevOps that warns teams of delays and risks in the software delivery process. Using a new DevOps Prediction Engine, our Risk Prediction module combines machine learning with a proprietary algorithm to give teams a weather forecast for their releases before those releases even start to run. The Risk Prediction module helps DevOps teams answer questions like, what are the chances that a release will fail or be delayed? How likely is it that a team member will skip certain release tasks? And what caused releases like this one to fail in the past? The Risk Prediction module helps DevOps teams figure out what they can do about failures and delays today, so their next release will run more smoothly. The Risk Prediction module offers risk alerts that warn the team when a release is likely to be delayed or likely to fail, a risk forecast that shows predicted delays and failures for every task, historical analysis through statistics for similar releases from the past, and release forensics that help DevOps teams identify and address their biggest pain points. Risk alerts appear next to releases on the release overview. They make it easy to see when a release is at risk of delay or failure before the release starts running, so that the team can take preventative action or adjust the release timeline. Risk alerts are continually updated as the release runs, so you always have an up-to-date prediction of how the rest of the release will go. You can jump directly from a risk alert to the risk forecast with a single click. The risk forecast screen provides the weather forecast for the release. It shows the likelihood that the release will run into trouble. Click the prediction for the release to see statistics for similar releases. The DevOps Prediction Engine doesn't just look for similarities between releases that were started from the same template or releases that were related to the same application or environment. It gives you statistics for similar releases across all of your executed releases over time, even as your processes have changed and evolved. From the risk forecast, you can open past releases to access their details. These release forensics help DevOps teams continuously improve their release pipelines and release practices. You can see which tasks failed or were delayed or were skipped altogether. You can also drill down into specific tasks to see exactly what happened. Release forensics give your teams the power of data to see their pain points and to quantify what those pain points cost. Teams can use release forensics to get more accurate release timelines so they can better allocate resources and save money. The risk forecast also provides a full breakdown of what's likely to go wrong and where, so the team knows which tasks need attention. For example, you can see that these compliance scans are likely to fail or be delayed, which means the team should look into possible problems with the code or with the compliance tests that are being used. Click the prediction for a task to see statistics for similar tasks. Again, the DevOps Prediction Engine looks for similar tasks across all of your past releases, helping you identify problematic tasks that you might not otherwise know about. You can also access release forensics by clicking a release or a task here. XebiaLabs Risk Prediction module helps prevent release failures that slow down DevOps teams and delays that disappoint customers. Teams can use release forensics to identify and quantify pain points, so they know what to do to save time and money. And you can use this data to continuously improve release practices across the organization. Put your teams on the path to faster, more reliable software releases by giving them the data they need to proactively solve release problems. Visit XebiaLabs.com to learn more.